Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel, and today's episode of our first vlog for cooking for this year. I'm going to cook one of the Filipino well-known Filipino dish. It's called chicken tinola. I prepare my own recipe here. I have my ingredients here, and this is my own style. How do I'm going to cook my own chicken tinola? Okay, let's meet, or I'm going to show you my ingredients one by one. Of course, we have garlic. Okay, I slice garlic like this. Seems like it looks like French fries or a potato. And we have onions, we have garlic, of course we have chili leaves. We're going to wash it later. Okay, this is green chili leaves. And we have this chicken breast. I'm going to use chicken breast. And if you notice guys, that I peel it off the skin of the chicken. I just don't like the skin. Well, it's your choice, it's up to you if you're going to remove or keep it same with the meat. Okay, and of course we also have this lemongrass, or in Tagalog tanglag. And of course I have this green papaya. Okay, this is the green papaya. I'm going to cut it out later. And of course that's it. And so I think I'm going to start to prepare my the best tasty Filipino tinola, chicken tinola. Okay guys, so let's do this. So okay guys, let's turn on the fire. Let's start to cook. And let's put a little oil, only very little, just only for to saute the onion and garlic and the chicken with ginger. Okay, that's it. Maybe it's 1 teaspoon. Here you go, the garlic. It's a whole garlic. I never crush, because I like to eat garlic like this. Okay. Garlic and then ginger. Okay, here's the ginger. You know why guys, I'm going to cook chicken tinola soup, because I'm not really feeling well. I feel I have slightly fever, and it's happened, or it's because I got my booster shot last night, so I'm not that really feeling well actually. So I need to drink or to sip a hot soup of tinola. Now let's put the onion. Okay, onion. And more onion. Okay, halo-halo lang natin. Actually, ang sakit ng braso ko guys. I feel like I add 1 kilo like that. 1 kilo or 2 kilos. Sa bigat. Ang bigat niya guys. But anyhow, it's for our health, so we need to take the booster. So I encourage you all guys to take the vaccine for first dose, second dose, and booster. This is for our health actually, and this is for all the community. So yun guys, yung ginger, hindi ko siya in-overcook. Gusto ko kasi pag kinain ko siya, ginangata ko siya because I like ginger much. So ganyan, gusto ko crunchy. Pati yung garlic. Yeah, I like this kind of garlic guys. Kinakain ko yan. So we cook, half cook. Now we're going to put this fresh chicken breast. So chicken breast yung ginamit ko guys. Okay, let's mix. Haluin natin. And then we'll put black pepper powder. Okay. Ganyan karami guys. And then where's my salt? And I'm going to put some salt. Okay. Kunti lang yung salt guys. So mix natin. Kasi lalagyan pa natin siya ng fish sauce or yung patis mamaya. Yun na lang yung pampalasa natin mamaya, yung patis. Kasi never I use monosodium or yung tinatawag na betchin, Ajinomoto. Hindi ako gumagamit nun guys. So, tama na yung ganyan. Okay, let's cover. Let's fry for about 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then, pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng tubig. 1 liter of water, guys. Fresh water. Okay, let's see guys kung pwede nang lagyan ng tubig. Or, let's say, ilalagay po pala muna natin yung papaya. Yung green papaya. Okay. So, yan guys. Ganda ng texture niya. Okay. So, lagyan na natin yung papaya. I cut the papaya into small pieces para mas mabilis maluto. Ayoko kasi yung matagal maluto. At lalo tayo gutom na. Sakit yung katawan natin. So, we need to cook it fast. Okay? Wow. And then yung tanglad guys, what I did with the tanglad is that I cut half. I took the stem from here. Tapos pinok ko siya para madurog siya konti. And then yung pinaka-leaves niya, ibuhol nyo pag may tubig para sa sabaw niya, lalabas yung amoy at yung lasa. Kaso lang hindi ko siya maibuhol, kaya I fold it like this na lang. Tapos tanggalin na lang mamaya pag maluto. Now let's add water. Since natubigan nyo na guys, make it a high heat na. Lakasan nyo na yung apoy para mabilis kumulo. Then ilagay na natin tong lemongrass or yung taglag. Yan guys, hindi ko siya maibuhol, hindi ko kaya. So ilalagay ko na lang siya sa sulok from here. Tapos tanggalin ko na lang siya mamaya. Bahala na, ayan. Okay, the rest of the lemongrass here. Okay, yan na. Napakuluan natin ng pakuluan para lumasa. Kasi lemongrass, maganda sa katawan yan. Marami siyang health benefits para sa atin, guys. So let's wait for maybe 7 to 8 minutes para tamang luto lang. Yung wag naman natin i-overcook para hindi siya yung para hindi siya yung durog yung karne. Sarap kasi yung tama lang yung pagkakaluto para yung lasa. I mean, para sa lasa pala. Yan. So yun guys, pailalim natin yung lemongrass. Okay. So yan guys, kumukulo na siya. Yan. Yan, ang bango. Ang bango. Yan, maganda yan panlaban sa mga sakit-sakit sa katawan. Pag humigop kayo ng mainit na sabaw. Para maibsan yung para mainitan yung laman loob natin. Para ma-push down niya lahat yung mga waste sa loob ng ating intestines. So, let's cover again. Wait for another 5 minutes. So yan guys, pakulo siya ng pakulo. Okay. Check natin kung medyo matigas pa yung green papaya natin. Siguro mag-a-adjust tayo ng minuto. Siguro let's add another 5 more minutes. Let's say, so cooking time nito siguro 12 to 15 minutes. Para makuha natin yung tamang consistency ng pagkakaluto ng ating masarap na chicken tinola soup. So ayan guys, check na natin yung papaya, yung tender na siya, pwede na. Pwede natin gumamit ng tinidor. Yan, lagyan na rin natin ng patis, ang palasa. So ito lang yung gagamitin natin guys, patis lang. Huwag na tayong mag-betchin kasi masama sa katawan yung monosodium glutamate na yan. So, kuha tayo ng tinidor. Okay. Ito yung pork natin. Let's see. Ayan. Okay na siya. Malambot na siya. So, let's give 1 more minute. Then, yung chicken natin. It's also tender. Luto na siya. Titikman natin ngayon yung sabaw. Kunti lang yung sabaw na nilagay ko guys, yung tama lang, sapat lang para sa akin. Wow, ang sarap. Napakasarap guys. Let's wait for another 1 minute. I'm sorry. Lagyan na pala natin yung chili leaves. Ito yung chili leaves guys, a bunch of chili leaves. Ang dami, gusto ko yung marami. So hindi ko na kailangan maglagay pa ng green chili. Kasi hindi naman spicy tinola yung lulutuin natin. Tama na tong dahon ng sili. Yan guys. So cover natin for another 2 minutes. Then okay na, pwede na tayong kumain. So ito na guys, luto na siya. We're done with our Filipino chicken tinola soup. Okay. That's it. Luto na yung ating dahon ng sili. Ito na siya guys. Luto na siya. Ang sarap. Marami siyang ginger. Marami siyang lemongrass. Tsaka marami rin siyang dahon ng sili. Green chili leaves. Napapansin nyo guys, tinanggal ko na yung dahon ng lemongrass kasi napakinabangan na natin siya. Nakuha na natin yung lasa at saka yung amoy. So, yan guys, prepare na tayo ng ating kakainin. Samahan niyo ako. Taran! Yan guys, ito na yung prepared Filipino chicken tinola soup natin. So, naglagay ako ng extra bowl para sa aking soup, para higupin ko yan, para mainitan yung aking lalamunan tsaka buong katawan, sa loob ng aking katawan, para sabi ko nga, para ma-flush out natin lahat ng mga waste ng ating katawan. So that's it. chicken, green leaves, lemongrass, green papaya, ginger, garlic, and onions. Napakasimpleng ingredients lang, pero napaka healthy foods para sa atin. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your everyday life. What more I can say? Masasabi ko lang, ano ba? I almost forgot. I am convincing you to take your vaccine, whether it's your first dose, second dose, or especially the booster, guys. So, yun, guys. Salamat and God bless us all. Thank you, guys. Love you all, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.